Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Outrage today from the parliamentary opposition as since Thursday, local gas prices hit a new record high. Now in a statement today, Opposition Spokesman on Energy Philip Paulwell says the continued upward movement will have a devastating impact on the local economy. He's calling on the government to address the issue.
I am asking for review to be done, starting firstly with the taxation for the hedge, that there has been no hedging being done by this government for the last number of years, and that taxation really is unconscionable and it should be removed. The total taxation on fuel is about just under $50 per litre. So, and it comprises other ad valorem taxes in addition to the hedge. It is for the government to do the assessment and to grant the reprieve.
Now, Mr. Paulwell says with no intervention and prices expected to go up, the impact will be widespread.
See greater level of starvation, greater level of hardship, lower levels of nutritional content, especially in food, and an overall lessening of the well-being of Jamaicans across the board.
The ex-refinery costs for gasoline 87, gasoline 90, diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel are $149, $155, $142 and $151 per litre respectively, gaining an average $35.79 since the start of the year. Meanwhile, oil prices on the global market hit a two-year peak in trading at $75 a barrel before closing slightly lower. Now, oil for delivery in August fell 9 cents to settle at $74.81 a barrel. Kingston Wharves will be spending US $40 million to do infrastructure upgrades across its plant. Now, while speaking at the company's annual general meeting, CEO of Kingston Wharves, Mark Williams, highlighted some of the areas to be upgraded.
Kingston Wharves has made a deposit on a new superposed Panamax crane. This is an eco-friendly Panamax crane. We believe that we need to prepare our business to be ready when COVID has passed.
Now, that will cost $5 million US. Mr. Williams says KWL will also be refurbishing berths to optimize capacity.
We have concluded the first phase of an international tender for the refurbishing of berth 7, and we're looking to spend approximately $30 million US to ensure that the infrastructure at Kingston Wharves is ready and can compare with the best in the world.
In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $150.25. The Canadian dollar now costs $122.65. The pound is going for $208.82, while the euro closed at $178.61. Now on to stocks. The JSE index lost 2,360 points today, while the junior market index declined by 33 points. Among the winners were ISP Finance Services, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and JMMB 7.25% preference shares. On the losing side were Portland JSX, Knutsford Express, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Jetcon Corporation, and Mayberry Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.